Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video lecture we will see the two remaining LT switch gear, that is ELCB and MCCB. So now let us see the construction and working of ELCB. ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. An ELCB is device used for installing an electrical device with high earth impedance to avoid the shock. These devices identify a small stray voltages of the electrical device on the metal enclosures and intrude the circuit if dangerous voltage is identified. So it has a capability to identify the unwanted voltage. So the rating of ELCB is different for different types of equipments. The main purpose of earth leakage circuit breaker is to stop damage to humans and animals due to electrical shock. Electric shock is very dangerous either for household or for the industry. So ELCB, the advantage of ELCB over the MCB is it will protect from the shock also. There are two types of earth leakage circuit breaker: voltage operated ELCB and current operated ELCB. Now let us see the construction of voltage operated ELCB. A voltage operated ELCB detects a growth in potential between the threatened consistent metalwork and a distinct isolated earth reference electrode. They work as a potential sensor or sensed potential of around 50 volt to open the main breaker and separate the supply from the threatened premises. So the 50 volt or it depends on the requirement. You can also fabricate ELCB or you can find different ratings ELCB in the market. So continuously it will check the potential difference between the earthing to the positive points, or you can say line supply. In this example I have taken 3-phase star type of equipments. There is a 3-phase R, Y, B and 1 neutral points. So it will continuously check the difference between the R to the earthing, Y to the earthing, B to the earthing, as well as neutral to the earthing. As this differences exceeds the rating of the ELCB, it will operate the relay, and hence there is a direct connections between the load to the ground, and as all the supply is grounded through the relay, at the load end the user will save, and The ELCB fulfill the purpose of saving the human beings or animals from the electrical shock. The second type of ELCB is current operated ELCB. A current operated ELCB is also called RCCB, a residual current circuit breaker, which has 3 windings transformer, 2 primary windings and 1 secondary windings. Neutral and line wires work as the 2 main windings. A wire wound around the minor windings. The flow of current through the minor winding is 0 in the stable condition. In this condition, the flux to the current over the phase wire will be deactivated by the current through the neutral wire. Meanwhile, the current that flows from the phase will be refunded to the neutral. When any error occurs, a slight current will run into the ground also. This creates confusion between the line and neutral current, and that makes an unstable magnetic field. This unstable magnetic field encourages a current flow through the minor winding, which is directly associated with the sensing circuit. Now this will detect the outflow and direct signal to the tripping system. Means if any minor current flow through the minor winding, this ELCB or RCCB detects the fault conditions, and it will operate the relay to make it direct connected with the load and turn off the supply. So once load is connected to the ground and turn off the supply, it will protect the equipments as well as the users from the electrical shock. Thank you for watching this video.